In today's video, I'm going to teach you OBS Studio, how to add images, pictures, slides, OBS Studio tutorial. First, open OBS Studio. In the lower left, you'll see your scenes and sources. A scene is the canvas for your stream or recording, and sources are the elements you place on that canvas, like your camera, game capture, or images. Click the scene where you want the image to appear so it's active. Now look at the sources dock. Click the plus icon to add a new source and choose image. You can give it a clear name to stay organized, then click OK. In the Properties window, click Browse, locate your PNG or JPG on your computer, and select it. PNG is great if you need transparency. JPG works well for photos. Click OK to add the image to your scene. Your image will appear with a red outline. Drag the corners to resize while keeping the aspect ratio intact, and drag inside the box to move it. If you need precise placement, right-click the image, go to Transform, and choose Fit to Screen or Center to Screen. You can also hold Alt while dragging an edge to crop, which is helpful for trimming margins or logos. When you like the placement, click the little lock icon next to the source name so it doesn't shift accidentally. If the image is hidden behind something else, reorder it by dragging it up in the sources list. Next, let's add slides. The easiest workflow is to save your presentation slides as images in a single folder. From your slide app, export to PNG or JPG. Keep a consistent resolution and consider numbering the files 01, 02, 03 to maintain the order. Back in the sources dock, click the plus icon again and select Image Slideshow, name it, and click OK. In Properties, add your images by clicking Add Files for individual images, or Add Directory to pull in the whole folder at once. Under Behavior, decide whether the slideshow should loop continuously, pause when not visible, or restart when it becomes active. Slide Mode lets you choose automatic for timed playback or manual if you prefer to advance slides yourself. Manual mode is great when you want full control during a presentation. Adjust the slide transition if you want to fade, and set the slide time to control how long each slide appears. Fine-tune the transition speed so it feels smooth and readable. Click OK, then position and resize the slideshow the same way you did with the single image. Lock it when you're done. That's it. Your images and slides are now set up in OBS and ready to go.